Hey, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video, show you guys been asking, you want me to run a campaign. I'm still running the same campaign, still making the money. But in this campaign, do not copy this product. I'm running the same product I've been running before, Sonaville, because you will get banned. I'm not getting banned because I emailed the product owner. He know who I am. He's letting me brand bid on this product. All right, I'm running this product on Microsoft Bing ads. Go ahead and log in. Log into Clickbank as well. Show you guys what I'm doing. Microsoft overview. Today's January 26th. As you can see, I spent $32 today on 6 clicks. Clickbank. Let's go to the front. I made 1 conversion today. Made $180. Let's log into digistore. Digistore. Just start running this ad today. See, we made $180. 1 sale. 6 clicks. Let's go to Clickbank. This is the review page I'm using. Put this in this window up here. Internet kind of slow. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. It's my review page I'm currently using. Easy. All right, so let's see. Got the sale today. As you can see right here, 1 sale. 180. Let's go back and see what they typed in for me to get that sale. Go down. What's this? Okay, so you can see Sonaville scams what they typed into the search engine. And I made $180 off that keyword. So what you want to do, you want to bid higher on the keywords that's winning for you. Like I said, do not promote this product. It's just an example that you can use at the own product you're promoting. So yeah, as you can see, like I said, spent $32 today, made $180. Let's go to our calculator. 180 minus 32, a good 148 today. Not bad. And a lot of people think my results are fake. I'm gonna show you guys my payouts, without even barely running ads. I'm gonna show you guys my payouts when I was actually running ads, my payouts without me running ads. I'm gonna let you guys decide whether it's fake or not. Back on my digistore dashboard, I'm gonna go to my payouts. This is weekly payouts, as you can see. Every week, this is how much money's coming in. Show you guys page 2. Weekly payouts. Net amount, just so you guys can see. $35,000. So as you can see, everything's transparent. I'm not hiding nothing from you guys. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.